Hello guys, and welcome to our video of language variation content that discuss about Korean English language. And first one we will explain is Nanda, the next one is Nadila, and then me, Alsha, and the lastly is Hannah. So enjoy!
The definition of Indonesian English belongs to the outer circle, where English serves as a second language due to colonial influence. It is widely used in various fields, with vocabulary and grammar influenced by Indonesian. The definition of Korean English is a variety of English in South Korea that falls under the expanding circle. Used as a foreign language mainly in education, business, and media. It is influenced by the Korean language, resulting in unique pronunciation and vocabulary.
Third number of speaker, Korean version. Did you know that Korean is spoken by approximately 23 million people worldwide? Most of these speakers reside in South Korea and North Korea, with a growing diaspora around the world. A map of the Korean peninsula with South Korea highlighted in blue and North Korea in red. A pie or bar chart illustration the 23 million Korean speakers compared to the global population. Number 23 million people at the bottom, with clean modern typography and style, subtle Hangul patterns or designs inspired by traditional hanbok can be incorporated as decorative elements. Indonesian version. Indonesian, also known as Bahasa Indonesia, is spoken by approximately 50 million people as their primary language, with a population of more than 270 million across Indonesia. It serves as a unifying language connecting the country's diverse island and culture. A detailed map of Indonesia highlights key islands like Java, Sumatra, and Bali. A bar or pie chart showing a comparison of 50 million primary speaker versus 270 million total population. 50 million people at the bottom in a modern font, using red or white accent that reflect the Indonesian flag. Subtle batik patterns can be as a decorative accent to highlight cultural relevance.
Let's talk about characteristics. Korean English pronunciation often features distinct phonetic patterns influenced by the Korean language. For instance, certain English sounds like F and V might be pronounced as P and B due to the absence of the sounds in Korean. So, very makes sounds like berry and fine could be pronounced as pen. Next, we have intonation and rhythms. Korean is a syllable time language, meaning each syllable is given equal time. This can lead to a more even rhythms in spoken English, which might sound different to native English speakers who are used to stress time language. Another interesting aspect is the influence of Korean culture on English usage. Many Koreans incorporate Korean expressions or cultures reference into their English conversations. For example, you make her pace like fighting, used to encourage someone, or the term oppa to refer to an older brother or male friend, even when speaking English. Code switching is also common. Many Koreans seamlessly switch between Korean and English, especially in informal settings. This blending of language can create a rich tapestry of communication, but it may also pose challenges for those not familiar with Korean.
Okay, I will explaining about example of words, phrases, or sentence that come from both varieties of English. The first one is Korean English. We have the first word is fighting. Fighting, the meaning of the fighting is image of someone giving encouragement.
화이팅.
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 화이팅. 화이팅. 화이팅. 화이팅.
And the second one is kinship. Kinship is image of people holding hands or hugging. And for the last one, we have let's eat together lunch. Is the meaning of illustration of two people eating together. For the Indonesian English, we have handphone or HP. The meaning is image of a mobile phone. And the second one, we have open your shoes, is image of shoes being removed. And the last one, we have I will pick you now. The meaning is illustration of someone picking up someone else.
The future of English varieties. In the era of globalization and technological advancement, easy access to media, films, music, and international communication has increased cross-cultural interactions. This has also influenced the future development of English varieties. The influence of popular culture from different parts of the world shapes how English speakers pronounce and articulate words. Additionally, travel and migration across countries further enrich English accents through exposure to diverse cultures, languages, and accents. The diversity of English varieties is a source of beauty and richness in multicultural communication. Different accents and vocabularies create unique nuances, adding distinctiveness to English conversations. This diversity also promotes intercultural understanding and tolerance, helping to break stereotypes and pave the way for mutual learning and appreciation of differences.
Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bye.